Wise, formerly TransferWise, has revolutionized how individuals and businesses manage money across borders. Its promise of transparent exchange rates and low fees has made it a popular choice for many, including those in Nigeria. However, a common question that arises for Nigerian users is, how do I actually get my money out of Wise and into my local bank account? As a finance expert, I'll explain the process of withdrawing money from your Wise account to Nigeria, offering clear, actionable steps and addressing important considerations to ensure a smooth transaction. Understanding Wise's current capabilities in Nigeria. Before diving into the withdrawal process, it's crucial to understand Wise's specific functionalities in Nigeria. Currently, Wise primarily supports sending money to Nigeria. This means individuals and businesses outside Nigeria can use Wise to send funds directly to Nigerian Naira, NGN, bank accounts. However, as of my last update, Wise does not support directly holding a balance in Nigerian Naira, NGN, within your Wise multi-currency account, nor does it typically allow Nigerian residents to receive funds directly into their Wise accounts in NGN. This is a key distinction. If you have funds in other currencies like USD, GBP, Euro, in your Wise account, and you are in Nigeria, you will need to initiate a transfer from your Wise account to a local Nigerian bank account to withdraw the funds in NGN. The withdrawal process. Sending from Wise to a Nigerian bank account. The most common and effective way to withdraw money from your Wise account in Nigeria is to initiate a transfer from your Wise multi-currency balance to a Nigerian bank account. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Log in to your Wise account. Access your Wise account through their website or the mobile app. Ensure you are logged into your personal or business account. Step 2. Choose the balance you want to withdraw from on your Wise dashboard. You'll see your different currency balances, e.g., USD, GBP, Euro. Select the currency balance from which you wish to send money. For example, if you have USD in your Wise account and want to receive Naira in Nigeria, you'll select your USD balance. Step 3. Initiate a transfer. Look for an option like Send Money, Send, or a similar transfer button. You will then specify the amount you want to send and the destination currency, which in this case will be Nigerian Naira, NGN. Wise will immediately show you the real mid-market exchange rate and the total fees involved. This transparency is a hallmark of Wise. You'll see exactly how much NGN your recipient, your Nigerian bank account, will receive. Step 4. Enter recipient details, your Nigerian bank account. This is where you'll input the details of your Nigerian bank account where you want the funds to be deposited. You will typically need recipient's full name. This should be the name associated with the Nigerian bank account, your name. Bank name. The name of your Nigerian bank, e.g., Zenith Bank, GT Bank, First Bank, UBA, etc. Bank code. Wise may sometimes require a bank code, BIC/SWIFT, or a specific NGN clearing code for the Nigerian bank. While often not explicitly asked for, it's good to have this information handy. However, usually, the account number and bank name are sufficient for local transfers. Account number, your 10-digit Nigerian bank account number. Account type, specify if it's a savings or current account. Important note on recipient name, always ensure that the name on the Wise transfer exactly matches the name on your Nigerian bank account. Any discrepancies can lead to delays or even the cancellation of your transfer. Step 5. Review and confirm the transfer. Carefully review all the details of your transfer. The amount you're sending, the amount your Nigerian account will receive in NGN, the exchange rate, and the fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. Step 6. Payment method from your Wise balance. Since the money is already in your Wise account, you will select to pay for the transfer using your Wise balance. This is the withdrawal action. Step 7. Track your transfer after confirming. Wise will provide you with a transfer reference and an estimated arrival time. You can track the progress of your transfer directly within your Wise account or app. Most transfers to Nigeria are typically processed within hours, often on the same working day, but can sometimes take up to 1 to 2 business days depending on bank processing times and network stability. What about the Wise debit card in Nigeria? While Wise offers a multi-currency debit card that allows spending in various currencies and ATM withdrawals in many countries, the Wise debit card is generally not issued to residents of Nigeria, and its full functionality for direct NGN spending or withdrawal within Nigeria may be limited or not available. If you happen to possess a Wise card obtained from another supported country, e.g., while residing in the UK or US, you might be able to use it for ATM withdrawals in Nigeria. However, be aware of the following. ATM fees. While Wise offers a certain amount of fee-free ATM withdrawals per month globally, Nigerian ATM operators might charge their own fees. Currency conversion. If your Wise card's primary currency is not NGN, which it won't be if you're holding a non-NGN balance, the card will automatically convert funds from your available balances at the mid-market rate, plus Wise's small conversion fee. Network acceptance. Ensure the ATM supports Visa or MasterCard, as Wise cards are typically linked to these networks. Local limitations. Due to varying regulations and financial infrastructures, direct card usage and ATM withdrawals in Nigeria can sometimes be challenging or limited for international cards. Therefore, while theoretically possible for cards issued elsewhere, sending funds directly to your Nigerian bank account via a bank transfer from your Wise balance remains the most reliable and recommended method for withdrawing money in Nigeria. Key considerations for Nigerian users. No direct NGN balance. Remember, you cannot hold NGN directly in your Wise account. All transfers to Nigeria involve a currency conversion to NGN. Regulatory environment. Nigeria's financial landscape can be dynamic. Be aware of any local regulations or currency restrictions that might impact international transfers. Alternative platforms for receiving USD directly in Nigeria. While Wise is excellent for sending money to Nigeria, some Nigerian freelancers and businesses often use local fintech platforms, like GigPay, Payoneer, etc., that provide virtual USD accounts or facilitate direct USD receipts for onward conversion or withdrawal within Nigeria. These platforms might offer different advantages if your primary need is to receive foreign currency payments directly. Verification. Ensure your Wise account is fully verified with all required documentation. This is crucial for smooth and uninterrupted service. Transaction limits. Be mindful of any daily or monthly transaction limits imposed by Wise or your receiving Nigerian bank.